Yo, what's up, everybody? Low key, it took a minute to drop the other video, right? But look, this time I'm gonna give you an intro, kind of, I guess, because I just like start my video, and like someone told me I should like be like, yo, what's up, everybody? So like, I don't know, and like, I don't know, I feel kind of weird. So, I don't know what else to say, fuck. Well, yeah, I'm Flower Quan, you know, Juan Angel Garcia, you know, a lot of people look. Here you go. McDonald's gang. You know, I used to what's it called? Worked there for a good minute. This shirt is pretty dope, low key. It has a bag. What does it say?
Kilgore, Texas.
Kilgore, Texas, man. Shout out to Kilgore, man. You know where we from. We're from Texas. You know how we are. Like, I don't know how to start this, so I guess we're gonna get straight to the video. Already, what, 2 minutes in? Fuck. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get started. Fuck it.
I told my lawyer, boy, I love you like a daddy. I'ma catch a charge before I let him take advantage of me. I done came home so...
Oh yeah, and then later in the future, bro, you know, any guys out there were trying to do a channel, you know, shit, I'm telling you, Benjamin Ben, it's like, I hit him with the laugh again. What's up, everybody? Right now, we're in the car. Gotta warm it up because I did not use my car for nothing today. And it's like, low-key kind of cold, low-key. Look, my brother in the back, because my sister decided to come. So I'm like, fuck it. She can come, fuck it. Because we just went upstairs and told her, hey, we'll be right back. Because, you know, gotta make sure the whole family, gotta tell everybody, we'll be back. That's how your mom trusts you and shit. Alright, and we're gonna start the video again when we're over there. It's kind of dark because the light doesn't work. Alright, guys, we're gonna see you at Walmart. Yo, what's up, everybody? We just pulled up to Walmart. And oh, someone's stealing. Fuck. Look, some flowers for Valentine. Who's gonna give me something? Cause the nigga don't got a bride. The nigga don't got a wife. He's tampoco. Nigga don't got no babe. Guilty eyes. Look, man, this is how Texas going crazy. Texas don't know how to act when we're about to have a snowstorm. Look at that. Empty. That shit look kind of crazy, but look. Empty. Boy, it's not gonna be no hurricane or nothing. Look. No, oh, fuck me. I think it's the wrong time to buy this shit. Oh, here we go. We should get these.
Little mean dogs.
Yeah, little weenie dogs.
Oh, yeah.
Now we just gotta get bread. Look, that's $3 right there. Well, really $2 something, but it still counts. Like, we're gonna make it in the budget. What is the difference of these? They'll smoke. I guess because of brand.
Nah, I think...
Wait, what the fuck is this? Look at this one.
I don't even know, dude.
Maybe like, cause these are like supposed to go in there because they have the picture. You know, imagine. Which one should I grab?
I think
Which one's long? Here we go. Which one's the longest? Look, these got more. Let's get those. Fuck it. And then if they don't taste good, fuck it. Look, everybody's getting sold out. Look, no sandwiches. Look, no Lunchables, no cheese, no queso, nada. Everything getting finesse here. Look, all my Mexican. Look at my Mexican people right there. I'm not trying to get some yogur, but all this shit finesse. Look, all that shit finesse. No way! A la verga!
Yes,
No, look at this shit. There's no way there's no bread. Or there's no thingy. Look, all my... Shout out to Texas, we're finna die. Low key. Look. No way, there's none of them. Look, we can get like the different type of bread. We can make it work. Fuck. Low key, man. God damn it, Texas. I think I should buy this for $3. That's so dumb. Why is that $3? Yeah, but I don't know which one's gonna work. Oh shit, it's a couple right there behind me kissing. Alright guys, I'm finna go back in the video after we get our shit. It's kind of crazy. All the eggs are gone. I was gonna make me some egg and toast tomorrow morning, but no queso, no queso. I mean, no huevos, no huevos. Oh, shit, yeah, that's a tall ass girl. She looked like Bigfoot for a second too, no cap. Well, it's like Corona when it started. No apple juice. Fuck. Look at this shit. This shit gone. Nothing you tampoco. Look, hell, I'm not finna buy that big ass bag. Look, all that finesse. All this is finesse. All that's finesse. This is a bad way to make a video. Ain't no cap. What's up, everybody? Some more lighting. Look, so we went on Walmart. We cashed out. We bought everything we could. It was 6 buckaroos. Wait, what the hell? Wait, 6 buckaroos.
Legendary bird.
You know Mew? It's her sister. So, oh, grab her. She hurts. Fuck. Ah, no, yank her, dumbass. Fuck. Damn, that hurt like a bitch. No, but whoop your ass.
Fake beard.
You could have been dead.
Fake beard.
You could have been dead.
More pity tenor, nigga. I'm sorry. Drill, spill, splash, spill, drill, spill, splash, spill, drill, spill, splash, spill, drill, spill, splash. If your bitch get money, drill, spill, splash. If you stacking them honey buns, drill, spill, splash. If you ride in a foreign car, drill.
I don't know about y'all guys, but I love my food well done. Every time I go to a restaurant, some shit like that, I gotta get it well done because this how, look at this hoe. This is well done. My mom be making the food like half rotten. Look guys, this is the other snow day. Oh, we're in a blizzard. Come on, Sam. Oh, we gotta go find Santa Claus. Oh no. Oh shit. Come on, Sam. Sam, I want to see who's faster, you and me. Come on, Sam. Come on. Ready? Come on, Sam. Ready, set, go. What's up, everybody? We in this bitch. It is Monday, the day when it's fucking... The day is fucking snow. I'm sorry, I'm so sleepy. Sam, come here. Sam, come on. Oh, me and my boy Sam tuned up. We're about to get crazy. Right, my boy put on his jacket on. We're about to go out there.
We're sacrificing y'all.
For real, no care. We're in the snow. We're about to go chill with some friends.
Shit.
I don't know. Hopefully, y'all seen that shit. Alright, guys. So right now we're about to get some crazy. We're about to go do some donuts. No cap. Look, I think she's my fault. Sam. Sam, we're gonna have to take her to the hospital after this for sure. Hopefully they're open.
Vanessa, you're gonna bust your ass and you're gonna knock their braces off. That's with the dog.
Hell no. Like, y'all trying to hold me.
Sit on your butt and do it.
Yep. Oh hell no! Like they're gonna fall.
Send them videos to me.
I'm recording the whole thing. My brother, he's dead. You got it, Kenny. You got it. Yeah, get full power. Get full power. Oh no! I'm about to run and get you. Alright, go. Like, go top of the ramp and just full strength.
Let me see your phone. Hey, can I record it? Right here. Michael, can you record it?
Yeah. Oh, no, get him. Yeah. Look at it, behind the scenes. Aquí estamos.
White pants now.
Fucking cold in the bitch. What's up, Sam? Watch out, Marco. Watch out. Hey, get close to the middle just in case you do fall off right there. Yeah, you got it, Kenny. You got it. Nah, it's not. It's soft. Where'd it go? Oh. I don't know, but they really wanted me to do something like this, but it did not work out. We ended up like this. Low key, I'm not even playing around. Nah, I'm just kidding. No, Jenna, don't push the gas too hard. Go, Sam, go. Jenna, push it in, okay? Don't push it hard.
You know what? No. You know what? Put it on neutral.
Keep on recording. No, she has it on
neutral. I have it on neutral.
Don't push the gas.
Don't press the gas.
Do not push nothing. No, don't push the gas.
No, you have to jump on it for it to go out.
What do you mean jump on it?
Like jump from the
No,
back.
because it's stuck on the ice. It's not stuck like
Put on dry.
some cannon.
Put on dry, but don't push it too hard.
A ver, bájate.
Don't push it too hard. I tell you when to push it. Don't push it too hard. Don't push it too hard.
Get out of the car!
We got your car out the
I don't want to drive with y'all no more.
You're gonna drive it? Wait! Jenna, get clear.
Juan Angel, you landed on the PC.
That's the man. You cannot drive.
Hey. Bien. We're here to leave some people at their house. No, it's because we got stuck. but we got it.
Hey, low-key, that was fun, though. Y'all can't cap.
That was kind of fun, but then I felt her just keep going and going, and I let go now.
All right, guys, you ready to go now?
She's just drifting all the way.
Yo, what's up, everybody? So, everything's fucking up in Texas. I'm gonna wait until Sunday if I can get this for my sister. Look, Michael, stand up. Look, go show him, go get my other shoes. Because I bought these like, I think 2 weeks ago, a week ago. I don't even know when I got them, to be honest. Just one pair, that's all.
Oh, okay.
And low key, I remember, I don't know. These holdings are pretty nice, not for the cap. Look, I only put them on one time, but it's only around the house. These holes are nice, low key. Look, these are my first pair. Oh, these are my second pair of Jordans. The rest of them are Yeezys. I used to be a good, I used to be a Van freak. I used to wear hella Vans. But these are my second pair of Jordans. I'm not really a big fan of ones, but I got them because when I looked at them that one day, the guy was like, yeah, bro, we just got them, man. I'm like, nuh-uh. So that would made me buy them even more because the guy said we just got them. So I'm like, fuck it. So I bought them. My brother had how many Jordans? Like 3, 4?
2. No, 3.
He got 3 pairs. He got the off-white ones, the 4s. He got another 4s. And I don't even know what the fuck the new one you got.
Yeah, some black ones.
I don't even know the other one. I'm not really a big fan of Jordans because that's why I don't keep up with shit. I only know the ones they're like the original one that everybody fucking has. My favorite shoes has been the 5s. The Jordan 5. I have some old ones for oh fuck. Oh, like look, get it really quick.
They're like under the bed.
Like they're under the bed, that's even bad. Like I throw all my shoes in the closet. Well, I got 2 pair of Yeezys. I want to buy some new one low key, but like I don't know, man. I've been kind of hesitating a lot. So I haven't really been buying shoes. I've been buying like more like clothes, to be honest. And then what's it called? I don't know if y'all know, but before Marco, didn't you get those new shoes when you get for Christmas, right? Or your birthday?
At Christmas.
For Christmas. For Christmas, my sister bought my brother some shoes. Wait, what's it called? So yeah, I'm gonna buy her some. She bought my so she bought my brother some shoes. She was gonna buy her some shoes too, but I forgot what happened. I don't even know what happened, to be honest. But what's it called? I wanna surprise her with some shoes. Low key, I don't know what kind of shoes she like. Asked for her size like the other day. I was like, yo, like, I'm gonna enter this one thing, and then what if I win some shoes? What size are you? Just in case I can't get in my size. She was like size 7 and woman. And she told me it depends. I'm like, what the fuck? She was like, for kids or women? I'm like, woman? I was like, you a woman or what? What's it called? So these are my 5s. These whole are beat the fuck. Oh, look. The whole beat up, bitch. But I love how 5s are, dude. These are fucking badass, bro. Like, they're fucking dirty. I need to clean them. Oh, they smell rich. Flower Quan smell footness. But yeah, these hoes, I think there's some, I don't know what's it called. I ran into this one guy, he's like, bro, they're OGs, but I'm telling you, I don't know nothing about Jordan. I'm not a big fan. These are my newest ones. These are my first pair of ones. I like I said, I like ones, 5s. I love 5s. 4s, they're alright, but not my favorite. I like the 6s, and I like the I think the 11th or 13th. I think they're the 13th with the weird big shape right here and a little dot right there. I think it's the 13th. So I'm gonna buy my sister some shoes. Yeah, I'm saying that like 50 times. I just don't know what to get her. Alright guys, so peace out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video that's coming up. Hopefully my sister cries. I don't think so. She's not gonna cry. She a little bitch. Alright guys, peace out. Let me see the... My brother is the other one, fam. The other one has the tag. I think it's the left one or the right one to go. You know, so, oh shit. So, you know, we're stepping up. Look. Take a picture. This is the only white off-white shoes I would ever had on my forehead. Look. Yeah, take a picture really quick because I want to be famous like this. Okay, so we're about to go pick up my nigga Ben. Okay guys, she's on my ass now because I just asked her like three questions. I asked her, look at his shoes, and she's like, oh my god, they look nice. I said, they look clean, right? And I told her they're not my favorite. I don't really like ones. And she was like, I love ones. I was like, damn. And I was like, if you could get a color, what color would you get them in? And she was like, oh my god, I'll get them in brown. And she's like, yo, you gonna buy me mine? I'm like, hell no. I'm fucking broke in a bitch. And then she was like, and then she posted on her story that I'm gonna buy her something. So now, that's how you know she's on my ass and shit. I'm not gonna lie, we got them muddy. But you know, I see some para zapatos they're supposed to be for muddy. But guys, I'm warming up my truck and shit. I'm finna wait until she comes. I gotta go to the bank, withdraw some money. I don't know how much money I should withdraw because I gotta pay my truck too. I'm fucking broke. Así es la vida though. You're broke in a bit. Broke. And one thing we have, we don't have at the house, we don't have no goddamn water. For fucking 2 days already, we have no fucking damn water. Or 3 days, because I took a shower last time on Wednesday, like around in the morning. And then when I was like when I was already done and just chilling there, fucking the water stopped. I was like, what the fuck? Ice cubes were coming out. But I guess I'm gonna dip, or let y'all know when we're about to go get breakfast and shit. So hopefully everything goes under control. I gotta go pay my truck. Let's see if they let me withdraw money, cause kinda withdraw like $200 yesterday. And it was at night too. My baby be tripping like that, I don't know why. I mean, I don't know, it could be cause I don't even know. Okay, but we're gonna let y'all know what's up. Adios. I just wait y'all quick. Darling, I'm going to go buy my mom quick. Look, that's my dream, guys. I'm gonna make my mama start working in 2025. I'm gonna make her stop working low key. She just gotta hold on 5 more years and then she's not gonna be working no more. 5 more damn years and she's never working ever in her life. And I promise that. What can I say? I promise I get my mama a house, and guess what I did? Got my mama a house. What's next? I wanna get my mama a car. That's gonna take a minute. I might help her not get her one, but I might help her. I'll probably use my own credit and my name and everything to give her the dreamers car she wants. Man, nothing too expensive as fuck, but you know, low key something like help us out, man. This is what I'm doing. I'm low key gonna surprise my mom with $1,000. Not right now because I haven't been working for 2 weeks already. So like the money who I have right now is like emergency money, you know. I gotta be prepared for anything that happens. Yo, what's up, everybody? We just leaving Tyler Mall. So I got the shoes, but in different colors. Then I got my brother some shoes too. But only just one time. I'm not gonna buy no more shoes for the ugly ass dude. Hell no. Hell no. Hey, what's up, everybody? So right now I'm getting some lemonade. Some slushy. I haven't had slushy in a minute. So I'm letting my baby eat. Man. So yeah, I just bought my brother and my sister some shoes. Oh shit. My sister, she been wanting some. She wanted some brown ones. I don't know if y'all know. But I got her some blue ones instead. And I got my brother also some. I also got my brother ones because his birthday's like in 2 weeks from now. So I might as well just get him split. Damn, she eats too much. La mamalona come mucho. Dragona eres. Just like tu papá. After that, we're about to go, what's it called? We're about to go eat Buffalo Wild Wings really quick. We're about to go eat Buffalo, and after that, probably just head home and just get my sister's reaction, how she feels about it, you know? And I guess I'll catch y'all later, because right now we're in Tyler. And oh, yeah, look. Only put 45, they want to put 50. Mami, ya no tengo dinero, puro gasto yo, no mames. 45 exactly. Oh, la verge. Hey, me and Ben just bought some things. He got some, we can't let y'all know, but he got some high quality things that he's gonna use that for device. And I'm gonna use mine for my device too. I pretty much spent I spent $600 today.
Spent a lot.
Fuck. Hey, I better like this video because I gotta get at least like 15 likes. I went 155 views. What's up, everybody? Right now I'm about to take off my jacket.
Damn.
Because
He stopped it. I can't see.
put my wallet here. So look, guys, we're about to get my sister's reaction really quick. Look, guys, I think I fucked up because I think I got the wrong shoe. I mean, the wrong size. I looked it up on Google, so if I get it wrong, it's because of Google. So right now we're about to. No, I was kidding. That's alright, kind of money because the one of us would call. Okay, guys, we're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the door, close the door. Is that Jenna? Or is that for outside? Guys, let me take off my shoes because I creased them. Close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door. Jenna, wait, Jenna, wait. Don't come in yet. Wait. Jenna! Don't come in yet. Hold on. I gotta cover it, guys. Okay.
Just depends.
That's what I'm saying.
I got it in kids.
In kids?
Yeah.
Okay, then a 4 or a 5.
Oh, okay. Alright, my thing's kind of fucked up.
What the fuck? Where did you get them?
Nigga, I went to like 5 stores, I swear to God. 5 fucking stores.
Oh my god.
Hey, put them on. Bro, you said you wanted some new shoes the other day, but you bought Marco some shoes. And not that long ago, you said you wanted to buy you some new shoes, but you couldn't because you bought boletos to go to the party.
That's crazy.
These was cheap, to be honest.
Like, how much was
They were like $97.
They're nice though.
Yeah,
it? It would better it was high top.
Look. So yeah, guys. So that's how I'm gonna end the video. You know, not too too extreme, I guess you could say. But hopefully I enjoyed the video. You know, it really wasn't that much. I'm also gonna I don't know what else to say, guys. So yeah, I pretty much bought my brother and sister new pair of shoes.
No, I'm sorry, I had to try them on. I was like.